So the last question is the final note. What is the best way to start dropshipping business as fast as possible? The most fast way to go, create your website and do some basic editing, such as adding your own logo, writing about your business. Step 2, create GT supplier API and import their product into your website. Step 3, create an eBay seller account and eBay developer account, and then you integrate them with your website. And step 4, push this product to eBay. Then when your product is already in eBay, eBay gonna sell it anyway. That means your business is already up and running. And then you got time. So next step of your journey will be learning of the design work, learning marketing, social media marketing, SEO, all these things. So that will be the right way and wise way to start your dropshipping business.